Yazi bakithi kunento okufuna la sike siyikhuluma. Ayi mina lento sengicabanga ukuthi ngiyithathe. Lento ngiyibona ukuthi angiyikhulume ngoba manje ungayikhulumi kwami akukho fair for both parties. Akukho fair for both parties. A snake is a serpent. A snake, it is a serpent. A snake, in order for it to bite you, it has to come closer to you. But a snake, before it bites you, you don't see it, you see the time it biting you. Uthawe manga lunywa inyoka, but uyibona ngathi izokuluma, but isikulumile. Kunezinto okufuna uzazi ukuthi mezilapha kude azizokwenzeka. In order for those things to cause harm to you, they have to be closer to you, but stealthy, camouflaged. Abantu abalunywa zinyoka so akathi nje eya lapha ebona inyoka afika kuyona ifika imlume cha. So engayibonanga. Emese siyamluma ke inyoka. Kunabantu who are so called our friends, but as much as they are our friends, they are also friends. They also have friendship with our enemies. In order for that enemy of mine to attack me, that enemy will never come because he or she is already talking to somebody who is a friend of mine.